To enable and use extended unlock in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter the lock screen area, and then you can find extended unlock. You will need to provide your current password, and then you will have three options for extended unlock. First one is on body detection. If you enable it, then your phone will try to decide if you have it with you. If you do, then basically you'll be able to unlock your phone by swiping up. You won't need to enter a password each time. Then there's trusted places. If you activate this option, you can click right here and then set up place on the map with a circle that your phone will always remain unlocked. Next thing is trusted devices. If there's specific device connected that you can add right here to your phone will also stay unlocked while it's connected. For example, you can add your car. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.